Hey guys, Lucas here from Venture Surplus, and today we're going to go over a simple belt kit, just so that you guys can throw together. Everything we have in here is in stock on VentureSurplus.com as far as pouches and gear go. What's inside, maybe not. But yeah, I just want to go over a simple belt kit because it's hard to find if you're not, what's the word? If you haven't been doing tactical kind of stuff for a long time, just getting into it, you don't you're really familiar with this kind of stuff. You want to branch out. Putting together a kit can be hard. Especially if you're just not familiar with it. So this is a really baseline belt kit to be able to put together, and does everything you need for simple 24 hours kind of stuff. You're out and about, and it's just what you need, all the basics and a full combat load to go with that. So what we got here, everything on here is Eagle Industries. So our belt kit, we're using Eagle Industries padded war belt. You can see right here the simple Eagle Industries V1 suspenders, and we got all these pouches on there. And we'll go through the pouches and you can see what you can do with each pouch. First off, we got 4 double mag pouches on there, so you can hold up to 8 magazines. And you see I use one as a pistol holster. They work like that, in a jiffy. It's decent retention. You got a big old flap holding it down there, and your standard 9mm is going to be held in there just fine. So 8 magazines. Best fit's going to be with your standard USGI ones. PMags fit, a little tight, but all what you need to carry in there. Everything like that. Going from there, you got an IFAK. This can double as a GP if you're going to carry, your IFAK somewhere else on you. This is a good general purpose pouch. This is the SOF IFAK from Eagle Industries. The V2, the V1, V2 are essentially the same. Just that little flap right there is the only difference. Right here, I got a canteen pouch. This is the V2. The V1 has its own, perks. The V2 is just nice for me because it's got a nice strap right here. It's just a good pouch overall for GP or your canteen, whatever it need be. But I got the canteen pouch right here. This is good for your water source or a GP pouch if you're carrying like a backpack or all your water's in there. This is a good pouch to have a little bit of stuff on you that you need right on your belt. And from there in the middle, I got an M60 pouch. The M60 pouch is nice because it's a big, GP pouch. Essentially what you're seeing here is ammo and just general purpose. Because what's nice about general purpose is they can carry whatever you need. So I can carry water source in the canteen. I can carry, cleaning kit, binoculars, whatever need be in this pouch right here, the M60, that is just on me, easy to get to. I can take the belt off, get to it. My buddy can grab it out of there, get to it, nice and easy. And then the IFAK pouch, because you always want an IFAK on you if you can. But if it's in your backpack, you have a waist belt, otherwise with the IFAK on it, good to go. So yeah, real simple belt kit, goes on real easy. Show you that too. So suspenders. These suspenders adjust pretty easy. You can tighten them up, loosen them up how you need, and then tighten the belt around. So you got all your mags. Again, pistol fits in there real easy. It's secure, so you got that on you if you need a pistol on you. If you don't need a pistol on you, which at the end of the day, you don't always have to have a pistol on you. So there's 2 more magazines for a total of 8. Otherwise, you got 6. Maybe you need to take this one up with someone else. You can supplement this with a different pouch. All that jazz. Fairly easily, and have a belt kit that, this alone fulfills your basic needs for ammo, for water, for IFAK, and for your randoms. It's just an easy belt kit. This right here costs around $150 in total if you buy all new. If you buy all new condition, $150 for a combat load worth of stuff. So, that's pretty easy. That's within most budgets, I would say. If you're really going to look for a kit, $150 for a whole kit, you can't really argue. You can wear this as it is. You can wear it over a slick plate carrier. You can wear it in conjunction with a high chest rig. If your chest rig is, kind of just high on you, this will fit on you just fine. You can adjust this lower, whatever need be. You can sit how you need to sit. But yeah, as I was saying, this is just a good belt kit overall. Kind of take a break there. But yeah, it's just, it does what you need it to do for a combat load to get you out and about. If you're just LARPing around, this is a good one. It's going to carry all the magazines you need. You can supplement this. Like, don't think, I'm not going to tell you that's what you have to buy. Buy this exact kit, wear it around, wear the Venture Surplus kit. I don't want to be that internet man telling you what to do. You have your own experiences. You know what your pouch you need. Maybe you don't need 8 mags. Maybe you need 4, and you need to put something else right here. Perfect. Maybe you only want 4 and an actual established pistol holster right here. Perfect. this is just a baseline, you know, get you an idea of how to set up a belt kit if you don't know how to set one up. Because, you know, this isn't really a belt kit even, this is more of like a load bearing equipment with MOLLE pouches. You know, a lot of load bearing stuff, it's sewn in, built in, very little modularity. You know, this is to your heart's content. But if you're looking for a baseline way to set one up, this is a good baseline of how to set one up. So yeah, if you have one like this, you know, let me know in the comments below. If you have any suggestions, you know, how you would rather have pouches set up, let me know. You can flip-flop these two. You can supplement this with a different pouch. You know, these are just good baseline pouches for a baseline LBE belt kit that really just does the job overall. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you thought. Again, we just had a sale where you get this entire kit for 110 bucks. Hopefully you didn't miss that sale. But if you did miss a sale, again, around 150 bucks. You can get lower depending on condition. If you go all defect, which is still good to go pouches from us, you know, maybe around 110 bucks. All brand new, around 150. And then, you know, mix and match. Use your own pouches. Maybe you just need like 1 or 2 pouches to finish this off. You know, good to go. So, good belt kit. Nice and basic. Okay, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this like quick belt kit overview. Again, it's a simple one. I've said that probably a million times already. But it's just a good basic one. Good, said that a million times already, probably too. You know, if you're just looking for an idea, you can go off this, build this exact one out. I feel like it's going to do what you need it to do for 24 hours out. Wear this with the backpack, and you're good to go. You can, you know, let it ride a little lower on you with the backpack. If you have a small backpack, you're good to go with your water, everything else you need to supplement with it. And if you take your backpack off, you got this. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think. If you would change it up, let me know what you would change it up to. If you've used this kind of belt kit, how to work out for you. I know some guys have this exact belt kit because I've talked about it before other places. And, you know, if you're one of those guys, let me know how it worked out for you, because at the end of the day, this is a pretty solid basic belt kit